Hello, student of class 11 science. Today we are going to discuss the dimension of a physical quantity. Dimension means what? Dimension. The common idea क्या है? Dimension क्या है? What is the length? What is the breadth and the height? That is the dimension. But here in this particular chapter, we are going to discuss the dimension of the physical quantity, that what are the exponents over the fundamental units of that physical quantity. So dimension, note down, the dimension is the powers or exponent to which the fundamental quantities are raised to represent any physical quantity is called the dimension of that physical quantity. The power to which the fundamental quantities are raised to represent any physical quantity is called dimension. Means what? For representing another word, in another word we can say, for representing a physical quantity we require to raise some exponent over the fundamental quantities. That fundamental quantities, that exponent over the fundamental quantities are known as the exponents. Like for example, if I am going to write you have to write the dimension of the velocity. Dimension of the velocity. So velocity represented by v, displacement by time. Displacement is represented by L, the length, the unit of length, or the symbol of the length is L, and time is t. So we can write it L, nothing is there, means 1, and t to the power, if we are going to take it up, minus 1. So usually in most of the physical quantity we are representing the dimension in terms of MLT, mass, length and time. So here mass is not there, so we have to write m to the power 0, L to the power 1, t to the power minus 1. So this is the this is the dimension of the velocity, right? Take another example, say the density represented by rho. So its a formula is mass by volume. Now mass is a fundamental quantity, but volume is not the fundamental quantity. So volume is we can represent by L cube. So mass, the symbol of mass is m, and volume length cube. So we have to write m to the power 1, L to the power, if we are taking it up, minus 3, t is not there, so t to the power 0. This is the dimension formula for the density, right? Dimension formula of the density. Similarly, take another example, third one. Say I am going to take your stress. The formula of the stress is force by area. Force means the pressure, stress means the pressure, force by area. Force, mass into acceleration, formula is mass into acceleration of the force, and area L square. So this is the fundamental quantity, mass, but acceleration is not the fundamental quantity. We have to represent the mass is your m, the symbol of the mass is, we have to write the capital M, but acceleration, you know, the acceleration is equal to displacement by टाइम स्क्वायर. ये तो पढ़े हम लोग. डिस्प्लेसमेंट को कैसे लिखते हैं? एल से, और टाइम स्क्वायर सिंबल टी स्क्वायर. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट की जगह हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर? एल टी टू पावर माइनस 2. अब यही वाला चीज़ एक्सप्रेशन की जगह हम लोग लिख सकते हैं एल टी टू पावर माइनस 2 बाई एल स्क्वायर. सो अल्टीमेटली 1 L cancel, so m to the power 1, L take it up, L to the power minus 1, t to the power minus 2. This is the dimension formula for the stress. Take another example, strain. Strain, the change in length by original length. ये होता है या चेंज इन वॉल्यूम बाय ओरिजिनल वॉल्यूम बाय और change of area by original area. That's a ये formula means same dimension is there, same physical quantity. न्यूमरेटर में भी वही है, डिनोमिनेटर में भी वही है. तो लेंथ का यूनिट, लेंथ को क्या हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे कैपिटल एल से और एल को तो एल से. सो हम यहाँ पर क्या हुआ, हैविंग द सेम physical quantity in the numerator as well as in the denominator, so we are to write no unit means m to the power 0, L to the power 0, T to the power 0. This is a dimension formula for the strain, right? Take another example. Say surface tension. You have to remember the formula, basic formula also. Without knowing, you can't able to do it. Surface tension का formula क्या होता है? Force by length. फोर्स का मास इंटू एक्सेलरेशन, मास इंटू एक्सेलरेशन बाय लेंथ इज योर एल. एक्सेलरेशन मास का सिंबल कैपिटल एम, एक्सेलरेशन का अभी हम लोग बोले थे एल टी टू द पावर -2, तो एल टी टू द पावर -2 बाई एल. सो अल्टीमेटली 1 एल कैंसिल, एम टू द पावर 1, नथिंग इज देयर मीन्स 1, एल इज नॉट देयर, सो एल टू द पावर 0, T to the power -2. This is the symbol of the surface tension, dimension formula of the surface tension. Similarly, you can try from the different books, different examples. Find out, choose any 10 physical quantity and try to find out the dimension formula, right?